Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside the Walgreens and we got the first snowfall where I live of the year. Hopefully y'all got to join in and got some snowfall if you're in the north. Also, quick question, I'm just curious, how many people or how many of y'all that live in the north like start their car and let it warm up before you leave? Do you like start your car, go back inside, start your car, sit in your car and let it warm up? Or like what do you do? Because I have a Jeep. If for y'all that don't know, I have a Jeep for the winter. Some of the winters here in Wisconsin can be really bad, and my car here doesn't handle snow at all. So I got a winter vehicle just out of safety, basically. But I also kind of am like a driver princess, as I call it, because it's got heated steering wheel, heated seats, and it's got remote start. Not to rub it in, I pay the extra for all those because that's just something I personally wanted and I really needed with it being so cold here. But what do y'all do? Like, I personally, it depends on if there's snow on the car. If there's snow, then obviously scrape it off, let it melt, and then leave. I don't care if my car is cold or not. But that's just me. Honestly, mechanically wise, it doesn't make a difference as far as I know, so that's it. That's my opinion. But also for the deals for this week, a lot of them are repeats from last week, so I'll try to point that out if I do remember to point them out if it's a deal from last week. So you may have done the deal already and unfortunately don't have the digital coupon for it. I don't think we got any new ones that we didn't have last week. I can't say for sure. I can't remember. That was too long ago for me, but yeah. Also, there is a printable breakdown in the description box just in case you want to edit it, print it off, take it to the store with you, make your shopping a lot easier. I personally did get a spend $15, get $5 in Walgreens cash, so I'll try to remember to go over two scenarios. I have one picked out in my head that I want to do, but we'll see if it's in stock or like what they have. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So right now, select gift sets are buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and there's tons of different options. The best one to do is to grab one of these $50 value ones that are the Old Spice ones. My store has these two options. They're $14.99, so grabbing two of them will be $29.98. We have a $2 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $27.98 at the register. Then we'll get the $4 register reward for buying two, and you'll submit to Ibotta where we have an offer for $7.50, making them $16.48 for both. Right now we have a great deal on Gillette, Old Spice, or Secret deodorant or sprays. They are buy one get one 50% off, buy four get $8 in register rewards. So the first two products you're going to grab are the Old Spice sprays that are $8.99. Then you're going to come grab Gillette Clinical. These are $10.99. You're going to grab two of these. These four products will total you $29.96. We have a $5 digital coupon for the Old Spice and a $5 digital coupon for the Gillette. That means you'll be left to pay $19.96 at the register. We'll get the $8 register reward for buying all four of them, making them $11.96 for all four, or about $3 each. Now, if you prefer, we do have different coupons. We have like a $6 off of 3 for the Old Spice sprays, a $6 off of 3 like mix and match, and I think there's one more. So check your account, see what you have, and see what you want to grab. But that's the best scenario that I could put together. So this is a repeat deal from last week, but it's still really good. So these Safeguard hand soaps are buy one get one 50% off. Buy two, get $2 in register rewards. They're $5.49, so grabbing two of them will be $8.23. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $7.23 at the register. We'll get the $2 register reward for buying two, plus we'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back when buying two, making them $4.23 for both. Unfortunately, the normal deal for Old Spice is here, but we didn't get any digital coupons. We have Ibotta rebates, but even with Ibotta, it's still really expensive. So this is not the week to stock up on Olay, in my opinion. But if you like the Old Spice body wash, you can grab good savings on these massive pump ones. These are buy two, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $11. So you'll grab 2 of them for $22. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll pay $18 at the register. You'll submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. Then we'll get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $9 for both, which is pretty good savings. Hot Dove clearance find is on this Dove Scalp Plus Hair Therapy. It's now $3.29, so you're saving like 75%. Here's the barcode if you want to check it out for yourself. This is a great deal. It is a repeat deal if you didn't do it last week, but it's on the Trust Me. They are buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6 for the shampoo conditioner, where the styling products are $7. Grabbing 2 of the shampoo and conditioners, your total will be $12. We have a $5 off of 2 digital coupons, so you'll pay $7 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $3 for both. Raw sugar hair products are buy one, get one free, so they're $12.99 or $11.49. I feel like I mixed out on something this morning because my store's literally wiped out of this product already, but maybe I'm just over exaggerating and they didn't have a lot to begin with. So the gift card deal of the week is on the Zift Zillions. You'll have to grab 2 of them, and then you'll get $5 in a Walgreens gift card. I feel like this deal isn't that great. Usually CVS has better deals for gift cards lately, it seems. So if you have a CVS and shop there, then they usually have better deals. But if you want it, just be aware that not all the Zift Zillions will give you a gift card to use. A lot of them are they're e-gift cards, so just be aware. Alright, so I think this one is also a repeat deal, but it's on Crest and Oral-B. They're buy 3, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $3.50. So you can grab some of the toothbrushes, or if your store has the Stain Eraser Ice Clean Mint, you can grab that instead. But grabbing 3 will be $10.50. We have a $5 off of 3 digital coupons, so you'll be left to pay $5.50 off of $5.50 at the register. Then we'll get the $5 register reward for buying 3, making them 50 cents for all 3. Right now, select Hello and Colgate toothpaste are on promotion. Buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and these are on sale for $5. This might be the time to stock up on the Hello toothpaste if it's a brand you like, since we don't get that many savings on it, but you'll grab at least one of these or one of the Colgate toothpaste. You can mix and match, grab 2 of these, grab 2 of the Hello ones, it doesn't matter. Your total will be $10 for both. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $6 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 for both. Now guys, Head & Shoulders has gone up a lot lately and it's so annoying, but we got decent savings on it. Now these used to be on sale for $6. Lately when they've been on sale they've been $7. Unless your store has that one specific one that's $6 still. Mine doesn't. But right now, select Head & Shoulders or buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you'll get $3 in register rewards. So the grabbing 2 of the $8.99 products, your total will be $13.48. We have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $9.48 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $6.48 for both. So right now, select Gain products are on promotion. Buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and these products are on sale for $9.99. Now it does say Downy or Tide Evo products, but I don't think my store sells any of those. But you can grab something like the Gain Flings for $9.99, or the Gain Liquid for $9.99, or the Gain Fabric Softener that's $9.99, or if your store sells the big box of dryer sheets for $9.99, you can grab those as well. For example, these 2 products will be $19.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Flings and a $3 digital coupon for the Liquid. And if you've done this deal already this month, check your account to see what coupons you have left. You'll be left to pay $13.98 at the register, but we'll get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $9.98 for both. So originally for my spend 15 deal, I was going to do the fabric softener gain and the dryer sheets, but I totally forgot the store doesn't sell the dryer sheets. The store I used to go to sold the big box of them, so I'm going to have to put together something else for this promotion. Select household products are on promotion for $16. The best way to do this deal is to grab one of the power washes. Then you're going to come grab a magic eraser, part of that promotion. Then you're going to grab your choice of Mr. Clean Clean Freeze. And then for your last item, you can grab whatever product that fits in that promotion that you want. So for example, this will be your 4 for $16. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Power Wash, a $2 digital coupon for the Clean Freak, and a $1 digital coupon for the Magic Eraser. No coupon for the last item. So that means everything, all 4 products will be $11 instead of the $16. Another hot deal, if this is an item you need, it's on these Menopause Plus Sleep. It's a Walgreens brand item. It's on clearance now for just $1.99, and it was $19.99. So here's the barcode if you need it. Also, we have some Zevia that's 50% off. Now, I've never tried this brand. Is it good? I drink zero sugar soda, but I'm just nervous about trying something like a different brand. Easy savings on Walgreens brand small or medium trash bags. They're $4.99 and they're buy one, get 2 free, so you can mix and match between all 3 sizes. Or all 3 ones you're grabbing. Right now, select Bonnie products are on promotion. Buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6.49. You're going to look for the 2 equals 6 triples. This is the 3-ply. You're going to grab 2 of them at $6.49 each, so your total will be $12.98. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $11.98 at the register. You'll submit to checkout 51 for $2 back on the second item. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying 2, make them $4.98 for both. Really easy savings on Coke products. They are 2 for $12. I feel like that's pretty good savings here. So if you need Coke products or want to stock up for the holidays coming up, this is a great price. Or if you all prefer Pepsi products are buy 2, get 2 free. So grabbing 4, mixing and matching will be $22.98 for all 4 products. Walgreens brand storage baggies are buy 1 at $2.79, get 2 free. This is our normal deal. This is our stock up price. This is good savings, and these are good quality bags in my opinion. These are the ones I use at home. This week, the Scott $5 everyday products are on promotion. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you can grab 1 of the toilet paper, and then for your second option, you can either grab another toilet paper or a paper towel. But your total for both products will be $7.50. We have a $1 digital coupon for the toilet paper only, making them $6.50 for both products. Right now, Body Armor Flash IV is buy 1 at $3.39, you'll get 1 free. So I'm going to max out this deal. So I'm going to grab a total of 6 of them. And on Ibotta, we have $2 back on each one. So grabbing 6 will be $10.17. We'll get a total of $10 from Ibotta, making them 17 cents for all 6. This is a great option to do for the spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash scenario. So these 2 products will total you $29.98. We have a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $27.98 at the register. Then we'll submit to Ibotta for $7.50, and then we'll get the $4 register reward plus the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending over $15, making them $11.48 for both. Here's another scenario to do for your spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So this is the gain promotion for buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens or register rewards. These 2 products will be $19.98. We have $6 in digital coupons, so you'll pay $13.98 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying 2, plus the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending over $15, making them $4.98 for both. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and I did a total of 3 separate transactions. That way I can keep my out-of-pocket low and roll my register rewards and Walgreens cash to help keep everything low. So the first transaction I did the Safeguard and the Oral-B. This was going to be my spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash booster. So as you can see, this is the 50% off Safeguard, the Oral-B, and the safeguard, and then I rolled $9 in registry rewards. One of them did expire today, so I wanted to use it. And then for coupons, both coupons came off, so my subtotal was $6.73. So that's what I swiped my card for. I submitted this receipt to Ibotta for $1 back. And then for registry, well, first of all, I got this waste of paper printed. Then I got also another waste of paper, like 2 in the same time. And then for registry rewards, I got MMS. I have them all in a massive stack. Yes. So I got the $2 registry reward for the safeguard, and then the $5 for the Oral-B or Crest, depending on whatever you grab. And then I also did get the it's not focusing. I did get the $5 in Walgreens cash. It's there. Please believe me. It's hard to focus. Then for the second transaction, I did the body armor and the brawny paper towels. So you can see these are the free body armors that ring in, then the brawny, then the body armor. So for digital coupons, the brawny one did not attach. It did not come off, even though it showed that it attached in store, or like when I was putting my deals together. So that's interesting, but whatever. So that's okay. I didn't take that as whatever. So my total was $23.15. I did use $20 in Walgreens cash. So my total that I swiped my card for was $3.15. I submitted my receipt for Ibotta for $10, to checkout 51 for $2, and then since the digital coupon didn't come off, I submitted to Swagbucks for $2 instead, so I'll get an additional $1. I would have liked the $1 to come off at checkout instead, but whatever. And then I did get the $5 registry reward for the brawny. Then, sorry, I'm shedding, guys. Then for my last transaction, I also did get more paper waste spacers. I got like 2 more of those, 3 more between the second and third transaction, which, whatever, just a waste of paper. For my last transaction, I just did the Tresemme. So that's all I did grab. Tresemme, $5 digital coupon came off. My subtotal was $5. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, so I swiped my card for $2. I haven't done the whole math to figure out what the final out of pocket was. I'll pop that up on the screen once I get home and do all the math. I think it's a money maker haul. I can't say for sure. Can't do the math real quick right now. I got other things on my mind, like freezing at the dog park, because that's what I'm gonna go do before I edit my video. So wish me luck. It's about freezing here at least, so there's that. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you can grab some amazing savings, especially hopefully you guys got the spend booster like I did. Like, that one's super nice and it's super low, so it's easier to grab. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.